Okay, I'm back in the bathroom. I'm gonna take these rollers out. We're gonna see what's happening. I got my bag here to put the rollers in. And they feel dry, at least this part does. Yeah, I'd say they're dry. Okay, that's without combing it or anything. That's what it looks like. I can feel the lotta body in there. I tried not to put too much. I tell you, it seemed like I put 2 drops and it's just too much. Yeah, so the curl's pretty tight. I always say it starts out looking like country western hair. But I think I'm gonna go on and use the little snarl right there. I'm gonna use a hair dryer thing this time that I didn't use last time. Where is it? Last time I used my thermal brush, but this time I'm gonna use this actual hair dryer because it'll get hotter. Because supposedly, according to Jade Godbolt, who has declared herself the queen of roller sets, and since I'm trying to follow her advice, she says that you've got to heat your hair up with one of these afterwards, or a thermal brush or something. Didn't make no difference the thermal brush I used before, but it didn't get as hot, I don't think, as this does. So maybe the difference will be the heat amount, how hot it gets. I threw my little clip back in this bag and I should have left it out. Okay, so we're just gonna divide my hair pretty much in half and see what happens when we do this. I don't know, last time it smoothed my hair out pretty much like this, and then the next day I woke up, I took the rollers out and it just immediately started frizzing. While I was making that video where I was showing everything I sold in the month of September. Maybe I should have set it on a different type of roller than the sponge roller that I had used. it. That's it, that's all. Gave me some body. Definitely seems like it's still gonna frizz right in this little area. So I don't know if that helps. I think the same thing is gonna happen this time that happened last time, where it's gonna look okay for a little bit and then start poofing up. And I never can understand how a lot of women can do these roller sets on their hair and it holds the straightness. They can work out and do all kinds of stuff. I don't know if you can see back there or not. But I ain't one of them. My hair likes to revert and poof immediately. Okay, I guess that's it. It looks good right now. And I can't sleep in perm rods or flexi rods. It's too hard on my head. Has to be the, what do you call it? The sponge rollers. But anyways, this is it. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe, like the video, hit the little bell so you can be notified of my future posts. And just try to be good. Just try to be happy. Just try to do the best you can with what you got in this America we're in right now. And I will see y'all next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.